there is a detailed introduction to every program in the festival. And for the pamphlet, you can see there's a Chinese calligraphy on there. And it is the synopsis to each act of the Tempest, the abridged version of the Tempest. Now, and there's one thing, the most important of all. There's a voting sheet. When you have watched all of the groups, now be sure you have to vote for one of them. Choose your favorite act. And if as you can read the description there, if you're forced to come or your teacher asks you to come, you can sign up. Now, the Tempest, the actual Tempest. Now imagine you are on the ship, and there is a storm, a tempest coming out of nowhere. What would you do?
Father, you have put this world in this world, a Thailand.
Be collected. There's no more maintenance. There the previous us, there's no harm done.
Oh, what a day!
No harm. I have done nothing but take care of thee. Of thee, my dear one, thee, my daughter, who art ignorant of what thou art. No knowing of whence I am, nor that I am more better than Prospero, master of this poor self, and thy no greater father.
For to know, he never may go with my fault.
This time I should inform thee further. Lend thy hand and pluck my magic garment from me. So, lie there, my arts. Wipe out thy eyes, have comforts. The direful spectacle of the wreck which touched the very virtue of compassion in thee, I have with such provision in my art so safely ordered that there's no soul, no, not so much perdition as in hair, betid to any creature in that vessel, which thou heardst cry, which thou saw'st sink. Sit down, for thou must now know further.
You have often begun to tell me what I am, but stopped and left me to a bootless inquisition, concluding, stay not yet.
The hour is now come. The very minute speeds thee of thine ear. Obey and be attentive. Canst thou remember a time before we came unto this cell?
Sir,
I do not think thou canst, for then thou wast not thou 3 years old.
Certainly, sir, I can.
By what? By any other house or person of anything in the image, tell me?
'Tis far off, and rather light in assurance, that my remembrance worth. Had I not 4 or 5 women once that tended me?
Thou hast, and more, Miranda. But how is it that this lives in thy mind? If thou knowest how old ere thou camest here, how thou camest here, thou knowest, but thou knowest.
But that I do not.
12 years since, Miranda, 12 years since. Thy father was the Duke of Milan, and the Prince of Power. My brother, and thy uncle, called Antonio. I pray thee, mark me, that a brother should be so perfidious, he whom next to thyself of all the world I loved, and to him put the manage of my state. As at that time, through all the signatures, it was the first, and Prospero the Prime Duke, being reputed in dignity and for the liberal arts, those being all my study. The garb government I cast upon my brother, as to the state's gross stranger, am being transported and wrapped in secret studies. Thy false uncle. Dost thou attend me?
Oh, heavens, thank you for it. And now I pray you, sir, for still tis beating in my mind, your reason for raising this sea storm?
No, thus far forth. By accident most strange, bountiful fortune, now my dear lady hath my enemy brought to this shore. And by my prescience I find my zenith thus depend upon the most auspicious star, whose influence, if now I course not but amidst my fortunes, will ever after droop. Here cease more questions. Thou art inclined to sleep. I know thou canst not choose. Come away, servant, come. I'm ready now. Approach my aerial calm.
All hail, great master, great sir, hail I come. To answer thy best pleasure, bid to fly, to swim, to dive with fire, to ride on the curved clouds. To thy strong bidding task, Ariel and all his quality.
Hast thou, spirit, performed to points the tempest that I bade thee?
To every article, I boarded the king's ship, now on the big, now in the west, the deck, in every cabin. I flame amazement, sometime I divide.
My brave spirits, who was so firm, so constant, that this coil would not infect his reason?
Not a soul, but felt the fever of the mad, and played some tricks of desperation. All the mariners plunged in the foaming brine and quit the vessel. Then on fire with me, the king's son Ferdinand, with hair up staring. Then like Greeks, not hair, was the first man that did cried, "Hell is empty and all devils are here!"
Why, that's my spirits. But was not this night shore?
Close by, my master.
But are they, Ariel, safe?
Not a hair blemish on their sustaining garments, not a blemish, but fresher than before. And as thou badest me in troops, I have dispersed them about the isle. The king's son hath I landed by himself, whom I left cooling of the air with sights. In an angle, his arms in this set knot.
Of the kinship, the mariners, say how thou hast disposed.
Safely in harbor. In the kinship, is there more toil? Since thou dost give me pence, let me remember. Be what thou hast promised, which is not yet performed me.
How thou, moody? Is what is thou canst demand?
My liberty!
Before the time be out? No more!
I pray thee, remember, I have done those worthy service, told thee no lie, made no mistake, and served without grudge or grumblings. Thou didst promise to pay me a full ear.
Hast thou forgot this, from what the torment I did free thee?
No,
Thou hast.
I do not, sir.
Thou liest, malignant thing. Hast thou forgot the small witch Sycorax, who with age and envy was grown into a hoop? Hast thou forgot her?
I do not, sir.
Thou hast. Where was she born? Tell me.
Sir, in Argier.
Oh, was she so? I must once in a month recount what thou hast this for guests. from Argier. Thou knowest was banished for one thing she did.
Aye, sir. Pardon, master. I'll be correspondent to command, and do my spiriting gently.
Do so, and after 2 days I will discharge thee.
That's my noble master. What shall I do? Say what? What shall I do?
Go make thyself like a nymph of the sea. Be invisible to every eyeball else. Awake, dear heart. Awake, thou hast slept well. Awake.
The strangeness of your story put heaviness in me.
Shake it off. Come on, we will visit Caliban. My slave will never yield us kind answer.
'Tis a villain, sir. I do not love to look on.
But as 'tis, we cannot miss him. He does make our fire, venturing our woods, and the service in office that profit us. What of slave, Caliban, thou speak.
Where's wood enough within?
Come forth, I say. There's other business for thee. Cut, totals. When? Final operation. My queen Ariel, after in thy ear. Thou poisonous slave, guarded by the devil himself, apparently wicked death, come forth.
As wicked you as my mother, for she was weapons feather from her wholesome fang, drop on you both, the southwest blow on ye, and please to you o'er.
Thou shalt be pinched as thick as honeycomb, each pinch more thinly than beaten the man end.
This island's mine, my seeker as my mother, which thou takest from me. When thou camest first, thou strokest me, and madst much on me. Would give me what it was balanced in, and teach me how to name the bitter light, and how the less that burn by day and night. And then I love thee, show thee all the quality of the iron, fresh springs, white paints, barren place, and fertile. 'Tis be I that do so, all the chunks of sycorax, tots, beetles, bats, lie on you, for I am all the subjects that you have, which first was my own king. And here you strike me in this hot rock, whilst Egypt keep from me the rest of the island.
Thou most lies dead.
You tell me language, and my property on it is. I know how to curse, the red that read you, will learn me your language.
Exit, hence, and venture as in fear, and be quick. Thou art the best to answer our business. Struggles thou, menace, overdose unweary. What I command, I will regularly with all the claims. Fill all thy bones with eggs. Make thee roar, that the beast shall tremble at thy din.
No, really.
Come onto this yellow sand, and then take hand. Curtis when you have, and kiss the white wave with furtive fancy here and there, and sweet spirits bear the burden. Hark, hark, forward dispersely, the watchdogs bark. Hark, hark, forward, the strand of striding chanted clear.
should this music be? In the air or the earth? It sounds no more, and sure, it waits upon some god of the island. We sitting on the bank, weeping again, the king my father's wreck. This music crept by me upon the waters, allaying both their fury and my passion. With sweet air, thence I follow it.
What is it? A story? Lord, how is it about? Believe me, sir, it carries brave form, but 'tis a spirit.
No winch. It eats and sleeps, and has such sense as we have. Such this gallant which thou seest was in a wreck. But his senses strained with grief. That's beauty's canker. Now might he call him a goodly person. He has lost his mirrors and the strength about to find them.
I might call him thing divine, or nothing natural.
Most sure, the goddess. My language, heavens, I am the best of them that speak this speech. If a virgin and your affection not gone forth, I will make you the queen of Naples.
Early infections like the signs that are fall back, then flex, and cause viral foe, and make him by each mere disease. His spirits hear me, the onions was cursed, but they were no pinch, when me with ocean shows, pinch me in the mire, no lit me, like a fire branding out of my way. Always a good book, but for every trifle on the spit upon me, sometimes like at summer and children. Then after to find me, then like hedgehog, like in my tumbling way, and melt their priests at my football. Sometimes and I own ones with adders, who with cloven tongues to piss me into madness. No! No! Here comes the spirit of his, and to torment me will bring you instantly. I will fall flat. Perchance you will not mind me.
I should know what to say, where shall I die? This is a scurvy tune to sing at a mass funeral. Well, here's my comfort. This is a scurvy tune, but here's my comfort.
Do not torment me, oh! Do not torment me.
What's the matter? Have we devils here?
The spirit torments me, oh!
Where the devil should he learn our language?
Do not torment me. Really, I will bring my wood home back.
He's in his feet and does not talk after the wise. I think he should test my bottle soundly.
Louder than me, but little heard, louder now. I know it, but trembling. Now, spirit trembling.
1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 legs and 2 voices? A most delicate monster. Here, bear my bottle, fellow the tranquilor.
will feed him by and by again.
Farewell, master. Farewell, farewell.
A howling monster, a drunken monster.
No more dance I'll make for fish. No fashion firing or quarrying. No squid chandling. No wash dish. But, Caliban has a new master. Get the new man. Freedom, hiding, freedom, hiding. Freedom, hiding, freedom.
Oh, brave master, lead the way.
There are some sport are petty. In their labor, realizing themselves up. The mystery which I sought quickly was done. Is my labor precious? Oh, she is 10 times more gentle than her father crab, and his components of harshness. I must reduce them thousands of these lag and pile them up. My sweet mysteries weeps when she sees me walk and say such blessedness had life never accepted. Oh, I forgot. But these sweet thoughts do even refresh my labor. Most busy when I do it.
Alas, not play you, work not so hard. I would lightening had burn out lost logs that you will enjoy to pile. Please sit it down and rest you. My father is hard at starting. Play now, rest yourself. He's safe for these 3 hours.
Oh, dear mystery. The sun will set before I shall discharge what I must try to do.
If you'll sit down, I will bear your logs a while. Play, give me that. I will carry it to the pile.
No, I just create it. No, I just create it. I had rather crack my sinews and break my back than you should such dishonor on the bone while I sit lazy by.
Poor world. All are infected.
You look wearily.
No, no wrong mystery. Till fresh morning with me, and you are by and night. I do beseech you. Chiefly, I said it in my prayer. Am I this patient man? What is your name?
Miranda. Oh, my father, I have put your hands to say so.
Admire Miranda. Oh, the top of admiration. Oh, you, so perfect and so peerless, are creator of every creature the best.
I don't know. One of my sex, no woman's face to remember, save from my glass, my own. Nor have I seen more like I can torment than you, good friend. And my dear father, how features are bored. I'm skilled and soft, but by my modesty, the jewel in my drawer, I would not wish any companion in the world but you.
I'm in my condition, a prince. Miranda, I don't think a king. Hear my soul speak. The very instant that I saw you, my heart fly to your service, their sign to make me slave to you. And for your sake, am I this patient black man? Do you love me? Oh heaven, oh earth, and crown what I profess with kind evanity. If I speak true, if holy word, I, beyond only be of what else I, the word, to love, I, and honor you. I'm a fool, too bad, what I'm glad of.
Fair encounter. Of these two rare affection, heaven grants, on that which breathes between them.
My mystery, dearest, and the thus humble ever, my husband then. I, with a heart as welling as burnt earth of freedom, here is my hand, and mine with my heart in it, and now farewell, 1,000.
No grass of earth then, I cannot be. Who are withhold my rejoicing? And nothing can be more. I'll to my book. Oh yeah, a suffer. Multi-performers, much business afternoon.
If I have to austere upon you, your conversation makes a man. For here I have given a third of my own life. Before here I live for, before heaven, I refine my rich gift. I do believe it against an oracle. Is my gift in my own extension worth to purchase? Take my daughter, but if thou break a virgin not before all sanctimonious stars made, with the full and holy life be ministered, no sweet aspersion should let heaven flow to make this contract work.
As I hope, for quite a spare issue and no life, with such love as is now the murky stand, the most opportune place, the strongest suggestion. Our words of genius to spirit should never melt, my honor to lust to take away. It is the age of today's separation. When I shall think, all female steps are found, all night kept check below.
There is road, seek me and come to her, she is my own. What Ariel? My industrial servant Ariel.
How would my poor master? Here I am.
That is our dear fellows, your last service, you work to perform. And now I must issue in another such trick. Go with the rebel, overprove my gifted power here to this place. Insert me into quick motion, for I must bestow eyes on this young couple. Some beauty of my own art, and it is my promise, and that's better for me.
Really?
Yes, with the drink.
Before you can say come and go and taste grace twice and twice also. Each one should be on his toe. We'll be here with mop and mop. Do you love me, Master? No?
My dearly dedicated Ariel, do not approach me till about this info.
Well, I can't see.
Good. Darby too. Do not give Darling too much of the rain, but strikes out the straw till the fire in the ground. Be bold, abstemious, or else be not your vow.
I warrant you, sir, the white clover just fell upon my heart. The baddest artery of my liver.
Welcome, Ariel. Bring me a colario. No towns, oh silence.
Now, does my program gather to a head? My charm crack not, my spirits obey. How's the day?
On the sixth hour, at which time, my lord, you say our work should cease.
I did say so when I first read the Tempest. Say, my spirit, how fares the king and the followers?
Confined together, in the same fashion as you gave in charge, just as you left them. They cannot banish till your release. The king, his brother, and yours abide all three distracted, and remain a marring over them. Bring forth sorrow and dismay. Your charm so strongly works them that, if not worse them, your affection will become tender.
Dost thou think so, spirit?
My words, sir, were not human.
Then, my soul. Go release them, Ariel. My charm I will break. Their sense I will restore, and they should be themselves.
I'll fetch them.
But this rough magic I hear abjured, and when I have requested some heavenly music, to work mind and upon their sense that is every charm's for, I'll break my staff, burying a certain fathom in the earth, and deeper than did ever plummet sound. I will throw my book.
a solar layer, and a best comfort. To our unsettled fancy cured by them. Now the useless boil within my sky. There's death, for you are spell stuck. Holy Gonzalo, honorable man, my eyes are sociable in the show of thee. Bow fairly drops, the chant dissolve a pass. Most cruelly is thou, lonesome. Use me and my daughter. Thy brother was a Buddha in the act, now pitched for now. Sebastian, flesh and blood. You, brother mine, they entertain a vision. Expel remorse and nature. What was Sebastian? Would he have killed your king? I do forgive thee, unnatural though thou art. Their understanding begins to swell. Ariel, fetch me a head and rapier in my cell. I will disguise me and myself present, as I was sometime of villain. Quick spirit, thou shalt ere long be free. Why, let's find identity, Ariel. I shall miss thee, but thou shalt have freedom. So, to the kinship, invisible as thou art. I drink the air before me and return, or earn your past twice beat.
Behold, sir, for my reason their living price does not speak to thee. I embrace the body, and thee, and die the company. You're heartily welcome.
If thou beest Prospero, give us particulars of thy preservation. How thou hast made us here, who through our sins were wrecked upon this shore, where I have lost. How sharp the point of this remembrance is, my dearest son, Ferdinand.
My word for sure.
Irreparable is the loss. Patience says it is past her cure.
I really think you have not sought her help. Who sought grace for thy loss? I have her sovereign head, and rest myself content.
You don't like loss?
As great to me as that, and supportable, to me the dear lost. As have I been a much weaker, for you may to call to composure. For I have lost my daughter.
A daughter? Oh heavens, that they are living both in the Neapolis. The king and queens there that they were. I wish myself were mudded in that oozy bed where my son lies.
When did you lose your daughter? In the last Tempest. No more years of this. For it's a chronicle day by death. No relation for breakfast. No befitting this first meeting. Welcome, sir. This is my sales court. Here have I few attendant. And such a noble bird. Pray you, look it. My dukedom, seeing you are giving me a gift, I will require you as good a bit. It is. I will bring for a wonder to contain it, as much as meets my dukedom.
Sweet Lord, you play me false. No, my dearest love, I will not hold a word. Yes, for the score of kingdoms, you should wrangle, and I will call it a fair play.
If this prove a vision of this island, one dear son shall I twice lose.
A most high miracle.
No, my dear greatest, they are merciful. I have cursed them without cause.
Now all the blessings of a bad father compass thee about. Arise and say how thou came here.
Oh, wonder, how many goodly creatures are there here? How beauteous mankind is. A brave new world that has such people in it.
What is this maid with whom thou wast at play?
Sir, she is mortal. She is daughter to this Duke of Milan. A prince so often I have renowned, but never saw before. Of whom I have received a second life and second father. This lady makes him to me.
I'm hers, but oh, how oddly will it sound that I must ask my child forgiveness.
There, sir, stop. Let us not burden our remembrances with a heaviness that's gone.
Give me your hand. That grief and sorrow still embrace his heart that doth not wish you joy.
Come hither, spirit. Set Caliban and his companions free. Untie the spell. Sir, there are yet missing of your companies. Some few others that you remember not. If this be true spy that I wear in my head, here is a goodly sight. Oh, Tempest, this be great spirits indeed. How fine the master is, and afraid to chastise me.
Haha, for things of this, will money buy them?
These three have robbed me, and this demon devil, for he is the bastard one, had a plot with them to take my life. Two of these fellows you must know and know this thing of darkness I will not mind. I should be considered to die.
Is not this Stefano my drunken butler?
He is drunk now, where had he wine?
And Tranquil is really right. Where should I find this grand liquor that has killed them? How came thou in this pickle?
I have been in such a pickle.
Why, how now, Stefano?
Oh, touch me not. I'm not Stefano, but a crab. You are the king of the isle, Sarah. I should have been a soul one day.
This is a strange thing, as ere I looked on.
Go, Sarah, to myself. Take with your companions. Well, that's how well.
Go to, away!
Hence, a historical locket were founded.
Poor story, rather. Sir, I invite your highness and your train to my palace, where you shall take your rest for this one night. In the morning, I will take you to your ship and sail to Naples, where I have hoped to see the snapshot of this our dear beloved soulmates, and thence tie me to my knee, where every third soul shall be my grave. My aerial chick. That's like the charge. To the elements, be free. And farewell. Please you, draw near. Now my charms are all air, and what strength I have my which, and what strength I have which is my most spent. Now, 'tis true, I must be here confined by you, or sent to a Naples. Let me not, since I have got my duplicate, and pardon the deceiver, dwell this bare island by your spell, but release me from my bands, with the help of your good hands. Gentle breath of yours must feel, or myself must fail. Or my projects must fail. Now I want spirit to enforce, art to enchant, and my ending is despair, unless I will relieve by the prayer which pierces so that it assaults mercy itself, free of fault. As you pardon me, let your indulgence set me free.
Well, what I happened before. Now I believe you all come very well. Thank you, the seniors and the audience. Thank you for your attendance today. And remember, when you leave, remember to hand in the voting sheet. That will prove your attendance. And we prepare a little gift for you. It may not be an expensive one, but the most important of all, we're grateful for your attendance. Thank you. They were a big applause. Now, the opening ceremony is the beginning of our English festival. We have all sorts of lectures, activities, and contests. Be sure to attend. Now, if you don't have a pen, I believe the staff can lend you one. And remember handing the voting sheet.